Ashley Furniture Signature Design 12-inch Chime Express Memory Foam Mattress, Bed in a Box, Queen, Firm Comfort Level, White. Queen size bed in a box. For deep sleep you've always dreamed of, this body contouring memory foam mattress delivers. 12-inch mattress comes compressed and rolled in a box for your convenience. Sleep soundly. Designed with layers of memory foam for firm support and pressure relief, all with an ultra plush feel. The support foam core reduces motion transfer for peaceful, undisturbed sleep. Maintenance-free, made of hypoallergenic material to keep out dust mites, pollen, mold, and pet dander, perfect for kids or adults who suffer from allergies. Queen size, measures 59 watts x 79 x 12H and is compatible with most full bed frames. Ready for instant enjoyment, arrives in a box. Simply unbox, cut the protective wrap, unroll and watch the mattress expand. Mattress is safe to sleep on immediately, but can take 72+ hours for any residual odors from packaging to dissipate, and for mattress to completely expand based on ambient room temperature, humidity, air pressure and ventilation. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.